Hello, I am Moises Mendoza, and I will graduate from Audubon High School and get my new general work credit from GPS Ed this June. The most important lesson I have learned about how the job world works is being on time, because employers appreciate people who are on time every day and ready to work. If you're not on time, everyone suffers, and that's not professional. I am proud of finishing all my blueprints. It was hard at first, but then kept trying and failing it. It got so easy that I finished earlier than the majority of the class. This skill helped me with when I had to do a pilot project for my class. I used my skills in making a blueprint for a shoe rack that will get to enjoy in my room, that I will get to enjoy in my room. One thing I will take from my time in the program and apply it to my life is how important it is to be on time when I am scheduled to be in school. Also, it's very important to get enough sleep at night before, so you're not falling asleep during class. I say during my time being in the GPS Ed program, I've matured. Hopefully in the next year, I'll become a roofer. I've been wanting to be a roofer because it's a career that can help me build a solid life and provide for myself. Also, knowing the skills that I put on the roof can lead to other positions and more skills in the trades. I would like to thank my parents because they were the ones that told me to follow my dreams. Mr. Rathman and Ms. Lopez because they were the ones that recommended this program to me. Lastly, thank you to both Ms. Rocio and Mr. Pierre for helping me be successful. My last piece of advice to other students is to get your assignments done every day and on time. Show your appreciation and stay positive every day. I have really appreciated my time at GPS Ed program and my time at Audubon High School. They both gave me a very positive experience as an Audubon High School student.